Hello, Oscar Carmona for Healing Grounds Certified Biodynamic Nursery located in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. Here today to talk to you about how to grow Lisbon bunching onions in your garden. Bunching onions or scallions are also a form of onion and are related to garlic in that they're all part of the lily family. The thing about scallions is that they can grow much closer together because unlike the onion or the garlic, it's not the bulb that you're going for, it's actually the stem. And the base of the stem is white, it's just an unformed bulb. As such, you can plant those plants much closer together, and why they call them bunching onions, they can be grown in bunches, literally, and well suited for a limited container like this, or if separately, give them just about 1 inch, 1 to 2 inches at the most. Now, a good tip is to understand that basically any green garlic or onion can be used as a bunching onion. So you can cut stems off of your garlic early and use that as a form of scallion. And you can do similarly with any variety of onion. And as such too, with the scallions or the onions, you can harvest them at any state, really, because it is a stem and it's a green stage of its maturity. So you can harvest it at 3 weeks, 5 weeks, 7 weeks. You can wait longer for your harvest and maintain the scallions or onions fresh in your garden, to which time you need them. I sure hope you found that information useful. I'm Oscar Carmona, owner of Healing Grounds Certified Biodynamic Nursery. Remember, feed the soil and let the plants feed you. Happy gardening.